Welcome to the mysterious universe. In this video we are talking about electromagnetic radiations. Electromagnetic radiations are responsible for most of the phenomena in our universe. Even you are watching this video with the help of electromagnetic radiations emitted by your device display. It has a significant influence in quantum mechanics as well as classical mechanics. The electromagnetic radiations are transverse waves. It have frequency, wavelength, amplitude, etc. like all other waves. But these waves have no need of a medium to propagate because they are vibrations in electric and magnetic field. Also, we know that magnetic field is the same as electric field but observed from a different frame of reference. The electromagnetic radiations are classified into different types based on the difference in their frequency or wavelength. The arrangement of electromagnetic waves in the increasing order of wavelength or the decreasing order of frequency is called the electromagnetic spectrum. In vacuum, all these electromagnetic waves move at the same speed, that is the causality speed limit or the speed of light. According to the equation E is equal to h nu, when the frequency of an electromagnetic radiation is high, the energy it consists will be also higher. So, the electromagnetic radiation with higher frequency will have high energy and it causes huge damage. The electromagnetic radiation with the highest frequency are called the gamma rays. These rays are produced during the radioactive decay of nucleus of unstable atoms. So, a large amount of gamma rays are produced during atom bomb explosion. As a result, a huge amount of energy is released during this process, so it causes huge damage. Gamma radiations have high energy and short wavelength. They are penetrating form of electromagnetic radiations. Gamma rays are also called ionizing radiations. Because of their high energy, they are able to cause chemical changes in matter. Thus, they are biologically hazardous. Due to the penetrating power, they can damage bone marrow and internal organs. Gamma rays cannot be reflected by mirrors. Their wavelengths are so small so that they can pass between atoms in a detector. That is why gamma ray detectors often contain densely packed diamonds. Gamma rays are also used in cancer therapy because they have the ability to destroy cancerous cells in humans. Gamma rays can't travel large distance because they are easily absorbed. Also, gamma rays are produced during supernova explosions, pulsars, etc. Gamma ray bursts are the most energetic and luminous electromagnetic events since the Big Bang and can release more energy in 10 seconds that our sun will produce in about 10 billion years. After the gamma rays come the X-rays that are also called Rontgen rays. The scientist named Rontgen discovered these rays for the first time. X-rays have a low wavelength than gamma rays. Also, there is no clear boundary between gamma rays and X-rays. X-rays are also penetrating form of radiations that can penetrate through objects and have high energy. X-rays cause mutation in human DNA and also causes cancer to humans. X-rays are also used for imaging the bones and joints, helping to find fractures and breaks in any part of the body. X-rays are absorbed by different parts of the organs of the body at different rates. Also, X-rays are used for detecting damages and fracture in large pipelines that are internal to machineries and industries. X-rays are also used for radiation therapy against cancer. X-rays are also used for scanning luggages and body for checking dangerous items. The sun produces these radiations that are harmful to life. A lot of these solar radiations pass through the space every second, but the Earth's magnetic field protects us from these harmful radiations. The magnetic field is not present in Mars, so we need jackets that protect us from ionizing radiations to live on Mars. So it is very tough job. The Earth magnetic field is really a boon to us. Without that field, life on Earth is really impossible. Next comes the ultraviolet radiations, which have a smaller energy than the X-rays. A long time exposure to these ultraviolet rays also causes damage to human cells. A large amount of ultraviolet radiations are produced by the sun, and the ozone layer helps to protect us from these radiations. Ultraviolet radiations are used for reading barcodes, also used in water purifiers to kill germs in water. These ultraviolet radiations attract insects towards them and can be used in insect traps. The ultraviolet radiations is further divided into three types: the UVA, the UVB and UVC, etc. After UV in the electromagnetic spectrum is the visible light. In the entire electromagnetic spectrum, a small portion is only the visible light. Why can't we see other electromagnetic radiations? This is because our sun mostly produces electromagnetic radiations in the range from 380 nanometers to 700 nanometers of wavelength. So, human eyes are evolved to detect these radiations. The visible rays also consist of 7 types of radiations in the decreasing order of frequency. They are violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange and red. This small range makes our Earth beautiful. Then comes the infrared radiation with a very small frequency than that of visible light. These radiations are used in night vision cameras and remote controls. The infrared LEDs have a wide range of applications. It is used in thermal imaging cameras and sensors. The infrared radiations are absorbed by water vapor, carbon dioxide, etc. in the atmosphere and make the atmosphere warmer and causes global warming. Most of the thermal radiations emitted by objects in room temperature are in the range of infrared rays. After the infrared radiations comes the microwaves that are commonly used in microwave ovens to cook food. Microwaves are electromagnetic radiations that have high wavelength than infrared rays. Microwaves are produced inside a microwave oven with the help of a device called magnetron. These microwaves causes the water molecules in the food to vibrate. The vibration increases the temperature. Thus, the food becomes hot. Metallic containers must be avoided in the microwaves because it results in the accumulation of charge and may result in electric shock. After the microwaves comes the radio waves. The radio waves has the largest wavelength in the entire electromagnetic spectrum. The radio waves are used in most of the wireless communication devices like Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, etc. The internet connection also uses electromagnetic radiation, the radio waves, to transfer the data. They do not cause us any harm to human body, and also they can be transmitted to large distance without much loss of intensity. Radio astronomy is the field of physics that helps in detecting and experimenting with radio waves produced from large distance. That's all for this video. Subscribe to the mysterious universe, and finally, thanks for watching.